we are here in Purva Venezia to celebrate our 74th Independence Day. These are unprecedented times. I haven't seen something like this in my lifetime. I'm sure a lot of elderlies are here who haven't seen something like this in their lifetime either. But then, if we could defeat the Britishers after 190 years of struggle, I don't think 7 months of COVID-19 makes any difference to us. We are maintaining all our social distancing norms, as you can see, but it is important that we do come together and celebrate the spirit of independence as one community here in Purva Venezia. We are also live on Zoom, so to all our viewers who have logged in live on the Zoom app, wish you a very happy independence. We really strongly recommend that you log in and experience this celebration along with us. So moving on, I'll now request Commander Ashwini Kumar to address the society.
Good morning to you all, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls. Today is August 15th. We as Venetians and along with the rest of the nation are celebrating this occasion with pride, fervor in our hearts. Let us for a moment remember our countrymen, the countless, the nameless, the famous and of course the non-famous, who all dedicated their efforts and their lives to make and give us this free, democratic, strong and vibrant India. Let us also for a second remember the men and women in uniform all over our country, the military forces, the paramilitary forces, the others, who are protecting our borders, our airs, our seas, and even our society to keep it free from threat and danger. As you're all aware, last 6 months have been challenging, and our country, along with rest of the world, have been dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic. I take this occasion and express my gratitude to all in the forefront, the COVID warriors, the simple folks, right from the health professionals, the policemen, the ordinary citizens and the volunteers who are day in and day out prevailing over this epidemic so that we have a pretty normal life sooner than later. So, as you're all also aware, that Venezia in its own way has been responding to this pandemic, and it heartens me that individually and collectively we have all gone about responsibly to be on top of this so that we act and keep our community safe and in our own way move towards normalcy. I would like to specifically thank, there are so many I have to thank, matter of fact. the teams right from housekeeping to the security and facilities, to name a few. I should not forget our precious residents and their groups, for instance, the doctors groups, the volunteers group, the COVID response group, the quarantine group, charitable group, the cultural group, and even the block reps group, who have all worked, who have played a key role to ensure that we remain on top, we remain safe, and we keep moving in our lives with the least amount of disruption. So thank you to you all. And I would also like to add that I, on behalf of MC, me and my team, would take all necessary steps and measures to ensure that we move and conduct ourselves in such a way that progress, safety and security is always on top of our mind. I would also like to add that in the coming weeks and months, as we have been doing in the past, we'll continue to update and inform you about the developments and the progress in terms of the projects and the schemes which we will implement in the months ahead. I would like to again wish you all a happy 74th Independence Day, and I would also wish you all good health, good luck, and Jai Hind. Thank you.
Next, what we are going to do is, we already spoke about some of these great COVID warriors who have been helping us, but I'd like to invite Ashmita and Pratibha to felicitate some of our esteemed COVID warriors from the housekeeping and the security staff.
So just to give a background, Mr. Ravi and all the COVID warriors have been doing a wonderful job in all the sanitation, making sure all the sea floors are safe.
While we recognize three of you, we would also want to say that we are absolutely indebted to all of you for doing what you have been doing in these testing times. बहुत 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 धन्यवाद जो काम आप लोग कर रहे हैं इस वक्त हमारे लिए, इस सोसाइटी के लिए मैं बयान नहीं कर सकता. थैंक यू वेरी 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 मच. We have Dr. Vishwanath Kamuji here today, who is going to come and explain to you and give you some tips and some information around how you can take care of your health during these testing times. So please welcome with a big round of applause Dr. Vishwanath Kamuji.
ಹೀಗೆ ಒಂದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯಿತು ಇದ್ದು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 5-6 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಕಿ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ದ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಿಗ್ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳಿ, ಬಿಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾವಿದು ಮುಂದೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್. ಕೋವಿಡಿಂದ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಚಾವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಚೀನ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಕೆಮ್ಮಬಾರ್ದು. ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಉಗುಳು ಏನು ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ ಬಾಯಿಂದ ಅದು मास्क ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. तो खांसने से नहीं तो छींकने से वो मास्क के अंदर रहता है और डिसीज जो है, वायरस जो है वो बाहर नहीं आता है. दूसरा डिस्टेंसिंग. डिस्टेंस हमको कम से कम 1.5 मीटर से 2 मीटर तक रख के बात करना है, कुछ भी हो जाए, ताकि हमारे पास से जो थूक निकलता है, जंतु निकलते हैं, दूसरे के पास न जाए। तीसरा, हैंड वॉशिंग। हैंड वॉशिंग इसके लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि जो सरफेस है जिसको भी हम टच करते हैं, जहाँ पे भी हम जाके श्वास लेते हैं, वहाँ से मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ा बहुत वायरस रह सकता है। तो हम टच करके उससे हम आंख, नाक या मुंह को हमेशा टच करते रहते हैं, उससे भी वायरस अंदर जा सकता है। तो ये 3 मुख्य बातें हैं जिससे हम वायरस को अपने अंदर आने से रोक सकते हैं। उसके बाद ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಮ್ಯೂನ್ ಬೂಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊತೀವಿ. ಇಮ್ಯೂನ್ ಬೂಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಜಿಂಜರ್, ಅದ್ರಕ್, ಶುಂಠಿ, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್, ಕಾಳಿ ಮಿರ್ಚು, ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕುಟ್ಟಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಷಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಡಿಯೋದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಮ್ಯೂನ್ ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಗಾರ್ಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಂಟ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ವೈರಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲವು ಇಮ್ಯೂನ್ ಬೂಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾವು, ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಮ್ಯೂನಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಮಲ್ಟಿವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಅವು ಮಲ್ಟಿವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಮ್ಯೂನ್ ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಮಲ್ಟಿವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ABCD ಮತ್ತು ಸುಮಾರು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸು, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಲೈಟ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ. ಅವು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸು, ಹಣ್ಣು ಮತ್ತು ತರಕಾರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ನಾವು ಆ ತಿಂದರೆ ಕೂಡ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್, ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇಹ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಗುಳಿಗೆನೂ ಅದಾವೆ, ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸು ಇದಾವೆ. ಅವು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನಮ್ದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಮ್ಯೂನ್ ಬೂಸ್ಟರ್. ಇದು ಡೈಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗುಳಿಗೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು एंड इसको 3 से 4 महीने तक लेने से एटलीस्ट जब तक कोरोना वायरस है हमारे यहाँ लेने से ठीक रहेगा.
The number of cases itself will tell how effective our measures taken for COVID-19.
Okay, just to make it a little lighter and fun. If you were a gambling person, which month do you think COVID will be completely out of the entire country? If you had to put 100 rupees on a month, a date.
It could be March 2021.
So I can plan my vacation in April 2021. We're going to plant 48 saplings as a part of celebrating the 74th Independence Day today. And I encourage Venetians to continue this activity in the future as well, because we do have a huge need for the green cover in and around us.
All right. Thank you so much, Professor. That's a really great gesture. We are going on to the next one and going to have Commander Ashwini Kumar, the President of All India. Deepak, our Vice President, both of you. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you, Doctor. Our Secretary, please put your hands together for the two of them for this fantastic gesture. That's the fourth one.
Dear Venetians, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. In concluding the morning's events, I wish to offer a vote of thanks. Firstly, I'd like to thank the facilities team for organizing this event. I'd like to offer my thanks to housekeeping, facilities and security staff for all their diligence and hard work during these unusual times towards a safe and healthy Venezia. In this relation, I'd also like to thank the resident volunteers for helping with the home quarantine residents and the senior citizens for their various needs. Thanks also to the doctors amongst us who have joined the medic team and come forward to help us with their guidance and with the much needed support in terms of preparedness, in terms of oxygen facilities and so on. I also like to thank each and every resident for the vigilance, the patience and the support they've given to all of us and to the community towards keeping ourselves safe. As Dr. Vishwanath said, despite being such a large community, we are managing with very small numbers of positives, which is a testament to the great work that we are all doing in keeping ourselves safe. Finally, my thanks to all the MC members and to the many residents who have come forward and joined committees for helping make this year a great success.